635 beautiful cars. And I have the great honor, after 27 years of the last one from WRX, WRC, Colin McRae to drive one of these beautiful cars. And I have to say, it's incredible how great it feels, and of course, the power how it's delivering it. Crazy. Well, the Subaru Impreza WRX STI Type R V Limited, one of 635 beautiful cars. You know the story about this car? How this car comes to this world 1995, wins Colin McRae the last race with Subaru in this generation of car, the GC8 generation, the WRC championship, and then Subaru thought, let's create a beast for the streets. And particularly this car has the name V Limited on it. V means in this case, and that's not a joke, V means for this car victory, of course, because this car made it possible for Subaru to get the big win. Now some technical facts. This particular car, this is the Type R model, which speaks for 2 doors to be a coupe, to be a beautiful coupe. And the AJ20 engine, the 2-liter 4-cylinder flat turbo engine, has 280 horsepower. Under some states of gentleman's agreement, they say. I think this car has much more. I don't know, it feels like 300 and more, but later that. And another cool feature, this paint job, only this paint job, and some special interior parts got only specific for this car. It means the red seats, the steering wheel, but in this case he changed the steering wheel. Overall the look of this car, the wheels, of course OZ wheels, 5-speed manual, pretty short gear ratio, and of course only 1,270 kilograms of this beautiful Nippon technology made in Japan. I mean, it's pretty low, it's pretty light, and I think it's called DCCD. Long time no see. Welcome. Bit bright here today. DCCD, let's explain it in a short bit way. DCCD means driver controlled center differential, which basically means you can adjust to make the car more sportier on the rear axle or more even and mid-driven. That's it. You can fine adjust it with a little wheel in the middle console and put more power in the back, or give it a 50-50 on the go. Yes, driver control center differential. What a word. Goodbye. So, let's hit the road, get back into the car and having a good time. After thunder comes the storm, and this car, it's kind of storm sometimes. It's ridiculous. Last out, the sun is setting. Last time Japanese. And now let's hit the road for the last beauty shots. It's a bit weird. It's a bit weird to drive right-handed drive, but that's okay. Beautiful.